No idea what's going on in the background there. Everything's misplaced. I'm going to probably do a final video of all the cars together on Christmas Day. I really do need a Christmas special as well, but I have had no ideas. And I'm really running out of time. It's probably going to have to be one of the videos I've already got waiting to upload, like a firework video or something. But anyway, it's day 21 of the old Christmas calendar, which barely fits in this screen, which is annoying because it doesn't make me look like a decent YouTuber, does it? Okay, that's way too big. So anyway, we've figured out that we ain't going to be getting in the car for another 3 days, which is a shame, but day 21 is an interesting shape, so we could be getting something reasonably interesting in this box. So let's go for it. Let's just go for it. You've got a little snowman. Oh, let me guess. Is this one of those things that... It's got Lego hands. Or what look like Lego hands, anyway. I was going to say, is this one of those things you put on the little red strap, but it clearly isn't, so... There we are. A snowman. Do I know what to do with it? No, not really. That's all that comes to mind with these sorts of things. As you can see, my mind is very, very, very basic. Also, upon referring to the back, there is nothing about the snowman. So we just have a snowman. Yeah. Great. Suppose it's cool. It's Christmassy at least. There's that. So there's something going for it. Maybe we can add it to the Christmas tree as a decoration.